Hello, and thank you for coming to my channel. This is a small clip of me going to my driver training. It's my final parts of my driver training. It's the week before my tests, and it's with a training organisation called Hughes Driver Training. Fantastic people. They support me all the way through. They've pretty much would help you with your medical tests, eye tests, help you with your driving license application. They also do your CPCs, and they also say they'll try and help you achieve your job afterwards. So basically, they do everything in a package. It's a government sponsored boot camp. So if you're interested in becoming a truck driver like I am trying to be, please have a look at Hughes Driver Training. I would strongly recommend it. It's what it says on the box. You know, they're very keen. They help you with all the information. They are on the phone or email if you have any questions. Like I said, they're all there. I already did my medical, I already did my eyes prior to it starting, so that was something I did myself. They then will organise, if you haven't got it yourself, the TACO card. So, like I said, Hughes Driver Training, it's a boot camp. Look them up, it is well worth the inquiry. Remember, a boot camp means you do not have to pay for it. So 3-4 grand out your skyrocket? No, this is government based. So this is the journey from the A627 in Oldham going on to the M62, and it's speeded up a bit so it's not too long. It's not that bad, to be honest. Like I said, it's not very far, but I couldn't find anywhere on the videos on YouTube where they were, so I thought I'd put a video on YouTube so you can see where it is. Obviously, if you're coming from a different direction, this part of the motorway is not relevant to you, but it gives you a idea where it is. We come off the M62 at a junction for the A666, so that's where you head for, and then it's 3 to 4 minutes, maybe. Well, let's say 3 to 4 minutes. No more than 10 minutes to the actual centre. Watch out if they take you through the little housing estate, past the industrial units. The speed bumps are lethal. They're designed for turning tanks over, I think. So be careful, keep your speed down. When you're going down the hill towards the centre, to the industrial estate where the centre is, it is a very steep, windy road. 20 mile an hour speed limit. So keep that in mind, and remember, you'll be going up and down that in your truck. So like I said, this is a small journey just to show where you go. Please like and subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comments, whatever. More people who will subscribe, the better. It helps with me YouTube analytics, so more the merrier. I've noticed that there's 90% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribers. Why? It costs you nothing. You know, please, 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 please subscribe. And a call out to all my friends and all the subscribers who are already subscribing to me. A big call out to Bushi Babe, a new YouTuber who I've known for quite a few years. He's setting a YouTube up for campervan and campervan builds. Please go to his channel and like and subscribe to him. He's trying to grow his channel as much as I am. And like I said, I'll look forward to seeing you very soon. I have intentions of going to the Truck Fest in, I think it's in Lincoln, 4th and 5th of May. So I hope to see any of you there. And once again, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.